We have to tape Bill right now because this is a rare moment. He's actually working.
Bill does all the work while Dave goes running around talking on his phone.
No, this is the first time he's got up there to do any work today.
Don't believe a word he said. I need more corn.
Welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are in Arkansas. I'm getting a couple states ahead of myself here.
Yeah.
So we are currently in Arkansas. We have spent Christmas here with our friends, Bill and Darla.
Yeah.
They're from economic refugees, and we are going to be showing you around just a little bit. We are here helping them on their house. So we're going to be doing a number of different things for a couple weeks before we complete our trip over to Florida to do the big RV Super RV Show with RV Life.
Oh, I thought we were going to go vacationing.
Well, we're going to work a booth for RV Life in Tampa, and then we're going to go down to Florida or Miami after that. So anyway, we plan to have a lot of fun. Hopefully some of you guys will come by the show and see us, but we'll be there for that Tampa RV Super Show. So anyway, that's what will be our ultimate destination is. But for the next couple of weeks, we are hanging out here in Arkansas with our friends, helping them out wherever we can. They have a very friendly cat.
This is Charlie.
This is Charlie, yeah. So
I like Tansy, but he's scared of Tansy.
He's scared of Tansy. Tansy gives him the evil eye, and he just turns around and walks the other way. So, but anyway, we'll show you around here a little bit. There's some pretty cool things about Arkansas and some nice little things around here. We're going to just highlight a little bit along with. We're not going to show you much about the house because you can tune into you can tune into economic refugees, and Darla is doing some videos on what we're doing on that. So we'll put their information in the description below and on the screen here. But yeah, check that out. You can see we're doing wiring and AC and plumbing and I don't know.
Oh.
The list keeps getting longer and longer, but I said, I don't care what you add to that list, but I'm leaving on this date. So anyway, we are here having lots of fun. That's all that counts.
Yep.
This is the view that Bill and Darla have from their new little house that they're building. They've built a little shed right here. They've got another little workshop over there. That's a carport shed. Then they have a carport back there, and then they have this little tiny home. And it's all framed in and finished. We just have to do all the inside work. Hey, this is a quick look of the kitchen area. It's all wired now. And the electric box over there. So that's the things that I'm spending my time on. There's also the plumbing right there. The mini split heads will be up here at the top. The key to this job is that they're spending their money and I'm not spending mine. But anyway, we got to meet Bill and Darla right here. We have to tape Bill right now because this is a rare moment. He's actually working.
Bill does all the work while Dave goes running around talking on his phone.
No, this is the first time he's got up there to do any work today.
Don't believe a word he said. I need more corn.
And Bill says that they only get 3 or 4 trains a week. We've already had 3 trains today. One just barely went honking by. The tracks are just about a block away. And he says it's because we're here, I guess. But you know, this is a story that our friends always tell us. Come, it never snows. The trains don't ever come by. You should be able to hear that. But anyway, we are having a lot of fun with our friends. That's all that counts. And we are going to be hanging out here a little bit. The weather has been great. I'll tell you, even today, 65 degrees. Christmas Day was like almost 70. So weather has been excellent, and we've been having a lot of fun. I think it's going to change for the worse, but it is winter, so you'd expect something to happen. So anyway, we'll see how it works out, but we're having a lot of fun anyway. So it's interesting, some of the housing around here. Boy, this one here looks like it may just fall off those. I don't think anyone's living there, but It's kind of interesting because it looks like the supports aren't on there very good, but we can say that Bill and Darla's place is never gonna fall down. It is well built. So one of the cool things about living in the country is that you're kind of away from everybody, but then of course you have to drive into town to be able to pick up supplies and things. So we are headed into town to get some more electrical supplies. And look at this view. This is such a pretty drive, and this is January. So it's just amazing that there's still so much greenery, and you know, it's a fun little drive, and there's multiple ways to go to town. So, and it's not very far away, but it's nice to be able to just kind of take your time and enjoy life and get into town. Once you get into town though, hey, town's got some of the things that we want. Like, how about O'Reilly? Here's O'Reilly Auto Parts, and a number of fast food places. And they also have an AutoZone, so that's all taken care of. There's a couple other little stores in town, but they're a little bit more higher price, so we have been doing all of our shopping at Walmart. And the Walmart is a super Walmart, so that's good, and they also sell fuel at a pretty good discount price too. And then of course our main go-to based on our apps is McDonald's. Anyway, this little town has all those things, and that's pretty nice. Not very far, you know, not much of a drive, but we can get to everything that we need to pretty easily. Sitting on the front porch of Bill and Darla's house and watching this beautiful sunrise. What a pretty view. Everything is done. All the electrical is in. We have the lights all working, and also all the plumbing is done. The last portion of the job was installing the mini splits. So they have mini splits in the master bedroom there. This is above the sink, and if we circle around here, there's one up above there for that bedroom, and there's one at that end of the house too as you come in the front door. It is all complete, and it's nice and warm in here, 71 degrees. Thing is working really good, and we are excited to move on. So we will be heading off to the Tampa RV show now. That will be in about a week. So we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. We have had a lot of fun with these two.
Yeah, it's been just
Bill,
a ball.
Yeah, Bill's a comic relief.
Real kick.
Yeah, real kick.
Spirit on me.
You can't believe anything he says. That's all I know. That's what I've learned in the 2 weeks of being here.
And just know one thing with Dave is he likes to put people on ladders for long periods of time.
Yeah. So that's been hey, I've lost 2 pounds this week. I've been
Really?
going up and down
I
the
found
ladder.
I lost one leg.
You lost one leg. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us. This has been a fun time. We didn't get to go do all the things we wanted to do. We were looking
Any of the
forward
things we
to
wanted to do.
we were looking forward to Chicken Express
I know, right?
dinner. We didn't do any of that. So next time.
Yes.
That's how it is. Every time we leave a place, there's
We got to
always
go to
something else
Burger
to do,
King. We
so.
have the only one in America.
Yeah, Burger King, 30 miles away, but you know.
Had to have
So,
a Whopper Wednesday.
a Whopper Wednesday. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you can see at our last video that we did, you know, we talked about the end game, and this is their home, and they've got a really
Pretty nice, warm home now.
Yeah, it's
nice
warm in
warm
here,
in
and you can see
yeah.
things because it's lit up.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so-
Nice lighting.
Yeah,
Kitty
you're
thinks
welcome.
it's pretty
You're
cool.
welcome. So anyway, well, guys, we'll see you on our next video or somewhere down the road. So take care. Remember, we're headed to Tampa from here. Next week we'll be in Tampa, Florida. So take
warm.
care.
And we might surprise them and not show up.
Yeah. So see you later.
Bye.